So, been wanting to make this video for a while, um, and decided to do it now. So basically, this build is it's so fucking silly. Like it's just OP. I made this build and you literally can't die. Well, you can if you, but you have to fucking try hard to die. That's how good this is. This is Gold Rathian at MR 70. Now bleed damage, which you get off Gold Rathian, and also poison damage, you have to watch for. But other than that, like it's, I mean, this is me not fighting, so like I'll let it hit us. This isn't me actually fighting back, because you get recovery up in this build, which, like, with a health regen as well, you just, every time you're attacking, you're just getting like health back. I mean, this is me literally like wanting to get hit. Right there, I took a little bit of damage here. There, the poison. Now you have to watch for the poisons, so you want to get that off quick. But I mean, so me like attacking as well, like. Boom, boom, boom. I mean, this is me out. I mean, watch how fast I regen me. Well, I took the wrong pot there, like, but. I mean, I haven't even tried to avoid anything. I've tried it with Rajang and Safajiva as well, and it works just as well. Like, it works really good. Let's hit us. I mean, look at that. That normally, like, just takes all your life off. And again. And again. Well. Like, I did this, when I was testing this, I did this, and like, Silver Rathian spawned at the same time as Gold Rathian, and I like, literally, like, I was fighting both of them. And I still wasn't dying. Like, it's just so OP, and that's like without using any mantles. Yeah, poison. No, you gotta watch the poison. How fast your health goes up. It's just crazy, like. Now, I'll actually just come out and show you the build. Right, now, this is the build. So, I use the Venom Crusher. You can obviously use any weapon you want. This, it doesn't have to be a hammer. As long as you can get the awakening skills on and the augment on, it's fine. Safi Crested Crown B+. I went for the Golden Luna Mail B+, and the Golden Luna Coil B+ for the Divine Blessing. I got the Fell Shroud Braces for the Val Solvian. I went for a Defense Charm. You can go for another charm, change these around a bit, and probably get maxed out on your crit boost. But this is just the way I like it. And if you look, this, so you have 7 in defense boost, 6 crit eye, 5 Divine Blessing, 3 in health boost, 3 in recovery up, 3 in recovery speed, 3 critical boost, 3 weakness exploit, focus, evade window, and attack. That comes from me me temporal and me rocksteady mantle. I have 2 attack each on them. Now I will show you the weapon. So defense, I went with defense, sharpness, and then I went with me attack, and I went with me Solvian. You have to use the Val Solvian to go with the First Shroud braces to get the super recovery, which I'll actually show you. So you get, that's the Rathian essence, which gives you your Divine Blessing, and that's the Solvian, which allows recovery to exceed the red portion of the health gauge. And then defense boost, like I said, crit eye, there's all the rest of them. Now I will show you my I'll show you, just return from this. Show you me jewels. So yeah, there's me jewels. I mean, I'm not going to explain them. You can see what they are, what they do. Also on the weapon, if you didn't see, I have defense increased 3 and 1 health regen, and that's it. And it's basically an invincible, like Immortal build, where you don't really die. I mean, you can die, but it's if you completely, totally like fucking fuck up completely, that you can die. But like honestly, you have to try hard, like not to to die. It's just that good, and it's pretty decent. I mean, it's really good. I wouldn't really use it for party orientated groups, because obviously you need a little bit more DPS for that sort of thing. But if you want to solo and you want to relax doing it, it's a good build for that. You can just chill and just farm your items solo, you know, and ruining their Gargantia, everybody, like, just makes them easier fights basically. Okay, thanks.